Tea Study 92 out of 100. Does your diet suck? Combining tea with whatever filth you're cramming down your gullet can make things better. This study explores how egcg, a key compound in tea, affects cognitive decline caused by high-fat and high-fructose diets. Published in the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology in 2017, this research showed egcg improved memory and reduced neuronal damage in mice that were fed with high-fat diets and high-fructose diets. It works by enhancing key signaling pathways related to insulin sensitivity and brain function by reducing neuroinflammation. These findings suggest egcg can help combat cognitive issues related to poor diet and obesity. Better yet, get a double whammy by cleaning up your diet and tossing back whole leaf tea. Hey, a little birdie told me there's a new tea shop in town. I'm pleased to announce that my online tea shop is launching August 22nd. I'm giving away a $30 gift card every day in August, so go to myteaconnection.com and enter your email to win.